Hey guys, happy Friday. As you probably already know, I'm more of a hip person and I don't usually attend yoga classes, but I do some yoga poses just to restore and reset my body when I'm not doing high intensity workouts. All right, so all you'll need is a couple pillows from your house, a towel, a chair, and a smaller towel just to be able to cover your eyes when you're relaxing in these poses. All right, guys, so for this pose, all you'll need is two pillows, one between your knees and one for your head, as you see in the video right there. All you're going to do is take your knees wide, touch your big toes together, walk your hands in front of the edge of the mat, and then sink your hips back towards your heels. You also want to soften your forehead into the front pillow and breathe deeply. Okay, for the next pose, you'll need a sturdy chair and a blanket or a towel. Okay, you're going to place the chair somewhere near your lower legs. This placement will depend on your flexibility level. The blanket or the towel will go onto the chair where you will rest your head. You will sit up nice and tall and then fold forward until your forehead connects to the chair. Okay, so this last pose is one of my favorites. All you're going to need to do is place your lower legs on the chair at about 90 degrees. Lay your back down on the mat and place your head on a pillow and a small towel over your eyes to help you relax. Lastly, since you do not move much in this pose, you will want to use a blanket or towel to stay warm. Okay guys, so there's all your poses to do. You can hold them for about 5 minutes. If you want to hold them for longer, you can. Remember to breathe deeply throughout all the poses. Relax. Namaste.